Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Check. Today, I'll be unboxing Vixing's portable, adjustable laptop desk. I'd like to thank Vixing for sending me this laptop desk as part of their VIP program. If you're interested in joining Vixing's VIP program, or getting some great discounts, possibly testing some products, I have links posted in the description below where you can do that. Alright, onto the laptop desk. Looking at the box, you have the label here telling you what it is. Laptop desk. Then you have a statement here saying what it does. Turns your desk into an adjustable workspace in a few clicks. Alright, you have a couple images here. Compact, easy adjustable, flexible. Image of her showing how you can use it maybe if you're sitting on the living room floor. Materials, it's aluminum panel, aluminum alloy stents, ABS joints. Tabletop size is 42 by 26. Folding flat size is 52 by 26 by only 4 centimeters thick. Max weight on this is 5 kilograms. Now the safety warning is it's for domestic use only. Common sense should always be exercised while using this product. And if this product becomes damaged or broken, discontinue use. Here you have the how-to. To adjust the tabletop or leg, press and hold the inner button or joint, rotating the leg to desired position or angle, then release the button and the joint will auto-lock into position. Ensure all joints are auto-locked in the same position on either side of the table before use. Now here it says max weight is 10 kilograms. With it only saying 5 here, I would stick with this 5 just to be safe. Don't have to, but I would. Alright, let's look at the other side. The other side of the box we once again have laptop desk. At the bottom here we have the slogan again, turn your desk into an adjustable portable workspace. And we have some features here. It's got the vented top for overheating issues. No tools required for the assembly. Well, there's not much assembly, I guess. Compact, portable, angle adjustable. So I guess by pushing this button you can adjust the legs to any angle, as you can see on those right there. Auto lock 360 like I just said. That button right there must lock in these grooves, probably on all these lines. Helps improve posture, blood flow, and burn calories. Perfect to use while standing, sitting, and laying down. Alright, so as you can see at the sides here, they didn't come taped or anything, but there doesn't seem to be any sign of tampering or like anybody's opened. So let's open it up and check out this desk. Alright, it's fairly light. It's in there very tight though. Oh, I see some plastic and some styrofoam. Oh, there we go. Alright. So, it looks like there's an extra in here that I didn't know about. So let's get this packaging off and check it out. Okay, I got rid of all the packaging. And looking at this desk, you see it has a perforated aluminum top. You get aluminum legs. The joints are plastic and they have a locking button on each joint, allowing you to spin the leg a full 360 degrees, locking it in whatever position you would like, which you can see by this button that has an arrow and a diagram around it telling you exactly what position it's in. So going over the included accessories, you have these two anti-slip stoppers that just mount right on the lip of your laptop desk right here by sliding the open part over the lip and turning it on over. Now these two stoppers here are adjustable depending on the size of your laptop. And not only that, they're there to help stop from slipping or sliding side to side against this aluminum lip here. Another accessory that it came with, and I didn't expect, is this wonderful mouse pad, which attaches with this bolt right here. Now this mouse pad can either be attached to the left or right hand side by just putting this bolt through the hole on whichever side you want it attached to and screwing it in to the mouse pad there. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to install it on the right side. There you go, a few little turns and it's in. Now I know not everybody likes to use a mouse with a laptop. However, this would be great to place your phone, maybe a snack, while you're having a little gaming session or getting some work done. I have to say, I really am impressed with this Vixting adjustable laptop desk. With the included mouse pad, as well as the perforated back to help with cooling, the fact that it's extremely lightweight and doesn't feel cheap or like it would break easily. Also, that it can be easily adjusted, being able to fold up flat for storage at just 4 centimeters, or fully extended to a height of 48 centimeters, almost 19 inches, for that perfect viewing angle, no matter where you are, like on the couch, maybe in bed, or doing some work at your table. Well, that's my unboxing of Vixting's portable, adjustable laptop desk. I'd once again like to thank Vixting for sending me this great product as part of the VIP program, and if you'd like to get your own adjustable laptop desk, be sure to check the links I've posted in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see me unbox in the future. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.